Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to the Irish Film Festival 2018. Today we have a treat, a film about coming home, and we're very, very pleased to have in the audience one of the subjects from the film, and if I could ask Vera Finnegan to stand up and give a wave.
I'm Vera.
And I'm the eldest girl, or eldest sister, and I've been here 62 years. And I went back many times and saw such great changes. Every little dirty part of Dublin became absolutely beautiful. And I took my Australian daughter. Yeah. And this is my sister.
And I arrived in
this is her son. Yeah.
Hello.
I arrived in 1966, and when I got off the plane, saw from the view of the plane for the first time, I thought, wow, look at all the red roofs, and this is a paradise. Yeah. And it was, and we've done well since we've come here. My story is, we bought a block of land, we borrowed money for the land from the Commonwealth Bank, and we were 2 years here when we bought the land, and we were so homesick, and we put the land up for sale, and the agent had a fella for a buyer, and guess what? The buyer never turned up, so we decided to stay, and we loved it, and we built a house on that bottle of land. Well, you got so much opportunity here work-wise, and it's better for the children growing up, but your heart is back in Australia. Back in Ireland, and it'll always be back in Ireland. But we've got to thank Australia for the good living and the weather and beautiful people. And if you don't whinge in Australia and accept them for what they are, you know what? You fit in.
So I grew up here without my cousins and family, and then to go back there and they put on a family bash and see all these cousins that you've missed growing up in Australia was really special for me personally, you know.
But you know what? You're Irish no matter what part of the world you're in, and we are Irish, and you cannot deny that. We were born and bred in Ireland, and Ireland is at heart our home.
Yeah.
But Australia's been good too. You know what I mean? You have children, and you can't leave the kids and the grandkids, and you rear the kids. And we done well here because Australia had a lot to offer. But the heart is always there, and it always will be.
Home. We're going to Ireland, we're going home. That's our home.
You can't get that kind of feeling when you say around with your friends, or just the Irish mentality, like no matter where you are, it just draws you home.
The happiest people in Ireland are the people who never left it, because they don't know what homesickness is.
I want to spend time with my mum before it's too late, you know.
Very conscious of leaving family behind us and making sure that we do everything we can for them before we do.
Do you want to say a few words, Vera?
Yes, I do indeed.
Thank you very much.
First of all, I'd like to thank you all for coming to see this film, Coming Home. Now, you won't believe, but that's the first time I've seen it. And I'm absolutely amazed, and I'm very happy for all the people concerned in the film. And I'm flabbergasted. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I don't know, maybe 2 years ago, when Cathal Kenna came out and interviewed me, he's a niece of member of my family. Oh, I didn't know what was going on. I just went on talking to him. You know what? All my life I wanted to be famous. You know, when you're young, you want to be famous. And I was never famous, as you know. But I was never ever presented with such beautiful flowers in my whole life. And I want to thank you, Endo, for giving me these flowers. Thank you.